Hello students, welcome to New Vision Public School Ambazogai. Class 5 Mathematics, lesson number 5 Fraction. Today we will see first what is fraction. Fractions means part of whole. Means if you will take any whole thing and if we will make its part, that is called fraction. Fraction is nothing but part of a whole. Here I have taken one chocolate, which is the whole chocolate, or we can say one complete chocolate. If I have to distribute this chocolate among two students, so I will make two equal parts of this, and each part is called half. That means we can say it is 1/2. If you will share this in between two students, that means each one will get half of the chocolate. How to write half? 1/2 means here 1 is called numerator and 2 is called denominator. Numerator tells us that out of two equal parts of whole, 1 is taken. Means we have made two parts, but out of two we have taken 1, that is called numerator. And denominator means it tells us that whole is divided into how many parts. Here we have divided the chocolate into two parts, that means 2 is called denominator. Suppose same chocolate I want to divide into 4 students. So what I have to do? I have to make its 4 equal parts. That means each child will get 1/4 of the chocolate. Means here 4 is the denominator and 1 is the numerator, or we can say quarter also, and 1/4 also we can call it. Here if you will see this picture, the whole is divided into 4 equal parts and all 4 parts have different color. For one part of 4 we say fourth or 1/4. We can write it as a 1/4, where 1 is the numerator and 4 is denominator. Example 1. Convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Here we will see how to convert it. So there are some rules. We have to first multiply denominator to the whole number and add numerator in it. Now see these fractions. Here one whole circle is divided into 4 parts, that means 1/4. Here another circle is divided into 3 parts, that means 1/3. And third, this red circle is divided into 8 parts. And if we will take one part, that is called 1/8. For one part of 3 we say 1/3. And if whole is divided into 4 equal parts, one part out of 4 we say 1/4. Now if you will see, fraction means nothing but only whole. Sometimes we can take fraction as a part of collection. Here I have collected some flowers. Here are total 7 flowers. So 7 flowers altogether is also called a collection. Now out of 7, 3 flowers are pink color. That means if we will write 3/7, here 7 is the total number of flowers and 3 means it tells us out of 7, 3 are pink in color. Now this is also a fraction of collection. Means here how can we say 5 out of 3 are green color. Means here total 5 parts are there and out of 5 we have taken 3. Now next example, 8 out of 13 means what? Here 13 stars are there and out of 13 we have taken 8 stars, which we have colored into pink. That means it is called 8/13. Now 3 out of 4 means this is the collection of fish, but how many fishes are there? There are total we have made 4 parts, but out of 4 we have taken only 3, which we have circled. That means 3/4. Now there are 30 flowers. In this example I have taken 30 flowers. Means what? Total 30 flowers, and first I have made 5 equal parts, and out of 5 if we will take 3, that means what? Total flowers will be 15. And suppose I have made 6 part of this 30 flowers, and if I have taken only 2, that means how many are there? 10. Now we will see types of fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction. So first we should know what is like and unlike. Like means when the denominator of two fractions or many fractions are same, it is called like fraction, and if denominators are different, that is called unlike fraction. Here if you will see, two pictures are given and both pictures are divided into 5 parts. So in first picture we have taken 5 out of 2 are red boxes, and in second picture 5 out of 1 is red, but both are divided into 5 parts. That means these two are like fraction because denominator is 5. Now what is unlike fraction? When denominator is same in all the fractions given above. This is the example: 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. All these are example of like fraction. Now we will see unlike fraction. So unlike fraction means if the fraction has different denominator. If you will see in these three example, first is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. Means in these three example denominators are different. That means these are unlike fraction. Now next part is proper fraction. Proper fractions are always smaller than 1 or smaller than whole. So 1 by 3, 2 by 3 are proper fraction. The fraction with the numerator less than denominator are called proper fraction. Here we can see example: 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 5 by 7, 7 by 9. In each example, numerator is smaller than denominator. So it is called proper fraction. Now what is improper fraction? It is totally opposite of proper. That means a fraction with numerator greater than or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. Improper fraction is bigger than 1 whole. Now if you will see, 1.5 circle is yellow, 1.5 circle is pink. Means it is greater than whole also. Now what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means it is the combination of one whole and one proper fraction. When improper fraction is written as a combination of whole number and a proper fraction, it is called mixed fraction. For example, 1 and 1 by 3, 2 and 3 by 4, 7 and 1 by 8, or 1 and 7 by 8. All these are the example of mixed fraction. Now we will see unit fraction. Unit means number 1. You know that unit place. That means if a proper fraction with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. Denominator may be different, but if numerator is always 1, that is called unit fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on.